Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Taylor Arndt. I create videos connecting technology to lifestyle. I'm also a blind content creator and programmer and everything else in between. Let's start the video. Number 1, if you want to make AI related applications, look, this is a no-brainer. Python is good for making AI applications. In fact, Python is the language that I would use and that you should use if you want to make AI applications. For example, if you want to train AI models and things with TensorFlow and PyTorch, or if you want to make AI applications that will use GPT, which I do, or if you even want to do some data science and use Pandas and maybe implement AI there, definitely you need to use Python for AI development in whatever you do. Number 2, similarly, you need to use it for data science. Python is very good for data science. There are 2 competitors in this space, Python and R, but personally I think Python has the edge. Libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib are great for plotting visualizations in your data. Number 3, if you want to automate your life. Now, I keep talking about this because look, we only have so much time in the day and we have so many tasks that have to get done. If you want to automate your life and make simple scripts, Python is the best way to go. You cannot go wrong from automating your computer to moving files around, copying files, deleting files, even making scripts to help you with your YouTube channel. Learn about that at the end of the video. You might want to stick around. To random other projects that can help your everyday life. Definitely number 1. All right, number 4, helping with making full stack applications. That's right. If you want to make a full stack web app and you want to be like the big companies in the town, well, Django is a Python framework that you need to try. There are 2 different Python frameworks. There's Flask and Django. Flask is more lightweight with less batteries included, but it's great for those small micro projects. Django is the big behemoth with a lot of batteries included and is pretty heavy. But it is great for the full stack web applications that need a little bit more. I personally use Django mostly every day, and I love it. I use it for our internal time tracking system, also for my new application that I'm going to be talking about, so stick around, and all of my internal projects that maybe WordPress isn't cut out to do. If you're a beginner to programming and you need your first language, you cannot go wrong with Python. Look, that's why I'm doing my 30 Days of Python series, and I want to teach people who want to learn Python because it's a game changer and it can change your life in terms of programming. Okay, let's talk about what happened to me today and how I'm using Python to solve it. As you guys know, I am blind, and I've addressed that in a lot of different parts of my videos, but sometimes things go a little bit south, and sometimes things go wild, more than you'd like them to. So this morning I was scheduling my live stream, and unfortunately, my streaming software decided it's not going to be accessible anymore and presented itself an inaccessible CAPTCHA, as well as making the fields totally unlabeled. So what did I do? I created my own. I'm using the YouTube Data API to scrape all of the messages that are from the live streams, and I'm having them speak aloud to me. And I'm also working on having it where I can schedule live streams from my phone, and I'm making the entire app in Python using something called Beware and Toga, which is the graphical interface. If you want to see more about that, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to have more videos coming out about that. But long story short, we should be able to stream tomorrow with my new handmade system. All right, everyone, that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoy it, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friend, tell everybody you know, because we are going to have more videos that you don't want to miss. Have a nice night, everyone, and talk soon. Bye-bye.